Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 27th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 21 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is the new name of Darbar Hall in Rashtrapati Bhavan? Answer is Ganatantra Mandap. President Draupadi Murmu announced on 25th July the renaming of two halls in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Darbar Hall is renamed as Ganatantra Mandap and the Ashok Hall is renamed as Ashok Mandap. Among the two halls, the Darbar Hall is used for ceremonies such as the National Awards and the Ashok Hall was earlier a ballroom and is now used for special occasion. Question number 2. Which country hosts the Conquest military exercise? Answer is Mongolia. A contingent of the Indian Army has departed for Mongolia to participate in the multinational military exercise Conquest. The 21st multinational Conquest exercise will be held in the Mongolian capital of Ulaanbaatar from 27th July to 9th August 2024. Conquest is an annual multinational military exercise co-sponsored by the US Indo-Pacific Command and hosted annually by the Mongolian Armed Forces. Question number 3. How many countries will participate in the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer is 206 countries. There are 10,714 athletes from 206 different countries will participate in the Paris Olympics 2024. The competition will consist of 329 events spread among 32 different sports. As many as 117 athletes will represent India at the Paris Olympics. There will also be 140 strong support staff, making it a 257-member contingent. The United States will have the largest national delegation at the Summer Games in Paris with 592 total athletes. Question number 4. Which country will host the Winter Olympics and Paralympics Games in 2034? Answer is USA. Salt Lake City in Utah State of the USA will host the Winter Olympics and Paralympics Games in 2034. The decision was taken by the International Olympic Committee, IOC members during the 142nd IOC session in Paris on 24th July. Salt Lake City hosted the Winter Olympics for the first time in 2002. Also, France has provisionally been chosen to host the 2030 Winter Olympics and Paralympics. Question number 5. Who has become principal sponsor of the Indian Olympic Association, IOA, for 4 years? Answer is BPCL. The Indian Olympic Association, IOA, has named Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, as its official principal sponsor for 4 years, from the Paris Olympics 2024 to the Los Angeles Olympics 2028. The collaboration between BPCL, a Maharatna company, and Indian Olympic Association, IOA, will also encompass the Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, Summer Youth Olympics, Winter Olympics, and Winter Youth Olympics. Question number 6. Who was re-elected as India's representative to the International Olympic Committee, IOC? Answer is Neeta Ambani. On 24th July, Neeta Ambani, founder of Reliance Foundation, was re-elected as India's representative to the International Olympic Committee, IOC, during its 142nd session in Paris. She was first elected as an individual member of the IOC in 2016 during the Rio de Janeiro Olympics. As part of a long-term partnership with the Indian Olympic Association, IOA, Reliance Foundation is opening the first ever India House at the Paris Olympics 2024 this summer. Question number 7. Who has designated the UNRWA as a terrorist organization? Answer is Israel. The Israeli Knesset has approved a bill to designate the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, as a terrorist organization. UNRWA offers education, health services, and aid to millions of Palestinians across Gaza, the West Bank, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. In July 2024, the Government of India has released $2.5 million of the promised $5 million for the year 2024-25 to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East, UNRWA. Question number 8. Who has approved $200 million loan for the Nagpur Metro Urban Mobility Project? Answer is ADB. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, approved a $200 million loan for the Nagpur Metro Urban Mobility Project to expand metro rail corridors and enhance transport connectivity in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Under this project, 43.8 kilometers of elevated metro rail corridors with 32 stations will be constructed. Question number 9. Which state government has decided to implement Onion Mahabank project to prevent wastage of onion? Answer is Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government will soon set up onion storage banks and use nuclear technology for irradiation to extend the freshness and shelf life of the crop. These Onion Mahabank will be set up in Nashik, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and Solapur in a bid to prevent the wastage of onions. Question number 10. India's 500th community radio station has been inaugurated in which state? Answer is Mizoram. On 25 July 2024, Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurated the India's 500th community radio station, Apna Radio 90.0 FM, at the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, IIMC, in Aizawl, Mizoram. Community radio differs from public service radio broadcasting, including All India Radio and commercial radio. Ashwini Vaishnav also announced the winners of the 10th National Community Radio Award. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the Festival Director of the 55th edition of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI? Answer is Shekhar Kapoor. Eminent filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor has been appointed as the Festival Director of the 55th and 56th editions of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, Goa. The 55th edition of IFFI will be held from 20th to 28th November 2024. In 2023, Kapoor served as the chairperson of the international competition jury at the 54th IFFI, held from November 20th to 28th. Question number 12. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy launched the Vriksharopan Abhiyan 2024 in. Answer is Dhanbad. On 25 July 2024, Union Minister of Coal and Mines G. Kishan Reddy launched the Vriksharopan Abhiyan 2024 at Bharat Coking Coal Limited, BCCL, in Dhanbad. This initiative, part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign, was simultaneously conducted across 300 locations in 47 districts within 11 coal lignite-bearing states. The Indian government's Vriksharopan Abhiyan 2024 program aims to plant more trees. Question number 13. Scientists of which country have developed a robot face with living skin? Answer is Japan. In July 2024, Minghao Ni from the University of Tokyo, Japan, showcased a robot face covered in human skin tissue. This research, led by Shoji Takeuchi, aims to enhance robotic realism by incorporating living tissue capable of expressing emotions. The breakthrough allows robots to make facial expressions, combining biological materials with robotics to create more human-like machines. Question number 14. Who has recently launched the Climate Finance Action Fund? Answer is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan, hosting COP29 from November 11 to 22 this year, has announced the creation of a Climate Finance Action Fund, CFAF. It plans to attract $1 billion and secure at least 10 contributing countries. Based in the capital city of Baku, the fund will target climate projects in developing countries, meeting the next generation of national climate plans to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius and addressing the consequences of climate change-fueled disasters. Question number 15. Which state government has made it mandatory for tourist vehicles to carry garbage bags? Answer is Sikkim. The government of Sikkim has mandated that all tourist vehicles entering the state must carry a large garbage bag. This directive, issued by the Tourism and Civil Aviation Department, aims to foster community participation in maintaining the pristine beauty of Sikkim's natural environment. Question number 16. How much amount were allocated for the Khelo India initiative in Union Budget 2024-25? Answer is 900 crores rupees. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has allocated 3,442 crore rupees to promote sports in the country in the Union Budget 2024-25. Out of which, the Khelo India initiative received 900 crore rupees, a 20 crore rupees increase from the previous year's allocation of 880 crore rupees. Khelo India, launched in 2018, it has expanded to include Khelo India University Games, Winter Games, and Para Games. Question number 17. How much defense budget has been kept in the Union Budget 2024-25? Answer is 6.22 lakh crore rupees. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman allocated 6,21,940 crore rupees for the defense budget for 2024-25. The total allocation to the defense sector is 12.9% of the total budget of the Government of India for the financial year 2024-25. The defense budget for 2023-24 was 5,93,537.64 crore rupees, an increase of around 68,834 crore rupees. It was 5,25,166 crore rupees for the year 2022-23. Question number 18. What is India's rank in the International Mathematics Olympiad? Answer is 4th. The 65th International Math Olympiad was organized in England. 6 students from India participated in it. India has won 4 gold and 1 silver medal in the International Maths Olympiad 2024, and with this India has come 4th in the world. America got the first place in the International Math Olympiad, China got the second place, and South Korea got the third place. India has come 4th with a total score of 167. Question number 19. Recently, the Anti-Paper Leak Bill has been passed in which state assembly? Answer is Bihar. On 24 July 2024, the Bihar Assembly passed the Anti-Paper Leak Bill to combat malpractices in government recruitment exams. This bill, introduced by State Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, proposes strict penalties, including a minimum prison sentence of 10 years and a fine of at least 1 crore rupees for those involved in such activities. Question number 20. World Embryologist Day is observed every year on. Answer is 25th July. World In Vitro Fertilization Day, also known as World Embryologist Day, is annually observed across the globe on 25th July to raise awareness about in vitro fertilization, IVF technology. 25th July commemorates the birth date of Louis Brown, the first ever test tube baby. He was born on 25th July 1978 in Manchester, England, UK. The world's second and India's first IVF baby, Kanupriya Agrawal, alias Durga, was born on 3rd October 1978 in Kolkata, West Bengal. Question number 21. Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, has observed its 86th Raising Day on. Answer is 27th July. The Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, observed its 86th Raising Day on 27th July 2024. CRPF is India's largest central armed police force. It works under the authority of the Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. CRPF came into existence as the Crown Representatives Police on 27 July 1939. After Indian independence, it became the Central Reserve Police Force on enactment of the CRPF Act on 28 December 1949. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.